My dears, today we are going to learn Y sound. Now let us see what is Y sound. So here Y makes the sound of E. For example, study, study. Now let us see Y ending with words. They are party, party. Y sound is E. Part and Y E party. Pretty. Pretty. Noisy noisy. Lazy. Lady. Eigst 8 and Y 18. WORRY worry. LORRY lorry. SORRY sorry. HARD Y hardy. GAUDY gaudy. LOBBY lobby. ANGRY angry. CARRY carry. BABY baby. PLENTY plenty. STORY story. CITY city. DICKY dicky. STUDY study. COPY copy. HAPPY happy. Y make the sound of E. Plenty vegetables. Baby. Lady. Lorry.